Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the month of September 2021. I'm gonna tell all the moon signs and all the ascendant signs how their month September 2021 would be. You know, in the month of September, 5 planets are changing their zodiac signs. And the first to be would be Mars and Venus. On the 6th of September, Mars will be moving into the Virgo sign. And on the 6th of September itself, Venus will be moving into the Libra sign. On the 14th of September, Jupiter will be moving into the Capricorn sign in a retrograde motion from the Aquarius sign. And on the 17th of September 2021, Sun will be moving into the Virgo sign. And on the 22nd of September 2021, Mercury will be moving into the Libra sign. So these 5 major planets are gonna change their zodiac signs, and it is definitely gonna bring some change to our lives. You know, seeing the planetary positions in the month of September 2021, I want to tell you all something just now. I want to tell you all that in the month of September 2021, you need to talk to yourself. You need to make some introspection in your life. You need to talk to yourself, not to others. You need to talk and encourage yourself in the month of September. You need to stop hearing the advices and suggestions in the month of September 2021. You need to make an introspection where things are going wrong for you, and you need to start working on them. If you have been taking any sort of advice from anyone in this world, then you should stop doing that. You should start listening to your mind and heart at this point in time. You need to focus on yourself rather than others. You need to talk to yourself more often in the month of September 2021. You need to recognize, you need to decipher where things are going wrong for you. And you need to rectify those things in the month of September 2021. You know, if you continue doing what you are doing, then probably you are on the wrong track. You need to change tracks at this moment in your life. I mean, you need to change gears in your life in the month of September 2021. At least you should start thinking about your future in the month of September 2021. You know, the most important thing for you is to recognize, is to decipher what is going wrong in your life. You need to recognize what are the mistakes you have made in your life. You need to step back and reflect on your life, and you need to decipher, discern what has gone wrong in your life, which is not making you move forward in your life. Hence, you need to do some serious thinking about yourself in the month of September 2021. You need to talk to yourself and encourage yourself to change things in the month of September 2021. If not on the ground level, definitely in your mind, you should start drawing a plan for your future. Well, now let me start predicting about all the moon signs, all the ascendants for the month of September 2021. Well, for Aries moon sign, Aries ascendant people, I want to tell you all that this month is gonna be a month of hard work. You will need to work hard in the month of September 2021. If you want to accomplish and achieve things in the month of September 2021, then you need to work hard mentally and physically. You would feel restless in the month of September 2021 because Rahu will be aspecting the planet Mars from the 6th of September 2021. You would be in a hurry to complete your work in the month of 2021. You could be under the weather in the month of September 2021 for some time. I mean, you could fall ill in the month of September 2021 for a couple of days. Don't overwork yourself in the month of September 2021. Well, for Taurus moon sign, Taurus ascendant people, this month is gonna be a month for developing relationships. You need to develop relationships with new people in the month of September 2021. If you meet someone you haven't met before, then you should start developing a strong bond with them in the month of September 2021. Because this person which you are gonna meet in the month of September 2021 is gonna give you some profits, some help, some advice, some suggestion which will enable you to catapult your life in the future. This person may prove to be very beneficial for you in the future as well as in the month of September 2021. Well, for Gemini moon sign, Gemini ascendant people, this month is gonna be a month to earn money. It is gonna be a month to save money. It is gonna be a month to be with your family and friends. You need to give special attention to your family and friends in the month of September 2021. You will be more inclined towards your family and friends rather than your work at this point in time, because you would feel that you have stressed yourself too much in the past. Hence, you would be looking for some relaxation. You would be chilling in the month of September 2021. And it would be an ideal time for you to do this. If you need to spend some money behind that joy, that pleasure, you must do it. Well, for Cancer moon sign, Cancer ascendant people, this month is gonna be a very stressful month for y'all. You will be overthinking in the month of September 2021. You would be thinking hard about your present, your past, as well as your future. Though you would be thinking to improve your life in the month of September 2021, but I doubt that you will get a concrete plan for yourself in the month of September 2021. You should stop overthinking in the month of September 2021 and you should continue doing what you are doing in the month of September 2021. I mean, you shouldn't start off doing something new in the month of September 2021. Don't try to be too ambitious in your life at this point in time. I mean, you should be content with the things you have in your life. Don't aspire to get things which are not within your control. Well, for Leo moon sign, Leo ascendant people, this month is a month for expenditure. You would be spending a lot of money on your family and yourself in the month of September 2021. You'd probably spending behind a travel which you intend making in the future. Life would be getting too monotonous for you in the month of September 2021. Hence, you will make plans to travel. The second half of September may give you some health problems, but that would be very minor. Please try to control your expenditure in the month of September 2021. Well, for Virgo moon sign, Virgo ascendant people, this time is gonna be a time of confidence for you. I mean, you will be filled with confidence in the month of September 2021. You'll be making some very important decisions in the month of September 2021. Through these decisions, you will be moving forward in your life in the month of September 2021. You'll see that your near or dear ones, your family members are not supporting you in the month of September 2021. Hence, you will try to make decisions without the help of anyone else. And these decisions which you make in the month of September 2021 will yield profits for you in the future. Well, for Libra moon sign, Libra ascendant people, this will be the month where you will find that some of your wishes and desires getting fulfilled. You try to be content with the things around you. If you were facing any sort of untoward incident in your life, you would try to compromise with it in the month of September 2021. Though your family members may exasperate you, they might irritate you in the month of September 2021, but you will show your calmness in this particular situation. Well, for Scorpio ascendant, Scorpio moon sign people, this month is gonna be a month full of expenditure. You are gonna spend a lot of money behind your business as well as your personal life in the month of September 2021. This expenditure which you will be doing during this month would prove to be unnecessary for you. It would be a bad investment for you in the month of September 2021 and beyond. You wouldn't be thinking rationally in the month of September 2021. In fact, you would take some impulsive decisions in the month of September 2021, which may prove to be a loss for you in the future, as well as in the month of September 2021. You could face some health problems in the second half of September 2021. Well, for Sagittarius moon sign, Sagittarius ascendant people, this month is gonna be a month full of confusion. You might not be able to take a decision in the month of September 2021 in regard to your business, in regard to your job, in regard to your relationships. You wouldn't be able to recognize who is right and who is wrong in the month of September 2021. You'd also be confused about the path which you are walking on. You'll ask yourself that are you doing the right thing in your life? Your family members, your near and dear ones are gonna confuse you further in your life in the month of September 2021. They might trouble you at this point in time. You need to avoid and ignore your family members at this point in time if you want a steady month for yourself. Well, for Capricorn ascendant, Capricorn moon sign people, this month is gonna be a very good month for y'all. You will see that you will make good progress in your work in the month of September 2021. For you, work would be priority at this moment. You would neglect all the other things in the world to do your work in the month of September 2021. You try to start learning something new in the month of September 2021. I mean, you can start learning a new skill in the month of September 2021. The sole aim for you to do this would be that you want to progress in your life in the future. There is no harm if you start learning a skill in the month of September 2021. It will prove to be an asset for you in the future. Well, for Aquarius moon sign, Aquarius ascendant people, this month is a month where you would have to show courage in your life. I mean, you need to overcome your fears in the month of September 2021. If you are facing any sort of problems and difficulties in your life, then you should face them boldly in the month of September 2021. You will need to show tremendous courage in the month of September 2021 if you want to overcome your problems and difficulties. Well, if you show courage in the month of September 2021, then I am certain that you will be able to overcome all those problems and difficulties you are facing currently. These problems and difficulties I am talking about would be a temporary phenomenon in your life, but I am certain that you will be able to overcome them. Well, for Pisces moon sign, Pisces ascendant people, this month is gonna be a month of indecision. You will not be able to decide what you want to do in your life. I mean, if you are wanting to take an important decision in your life, then you will remain confused about it. You will not be able to understand which path to take at this point in time. If you can't take a decision in the month of September 2021, then I'd advise you all to postpone that decision for the future. Don't take the advice and suggestions of others if you want to take that decision in the month of September 2021. You should only listen to your heart if you want to take that decision in the month of September 2021. Use your mind and intelligence to take that decision which you want to take in the month of September 2021. Well, this pretty much brings me to the end of my predictions for the month of September 2021 for all moon signs, for all ascendants. If you want some specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And if you wish to boost your luck in your life, if you want to improve your luck in your life, if you want to enhance your luck in your life, if you want to increase your luck in your life, then my remedies are for you. Well, these remedies will show you success and prosperity in your life. It is gonna help you to earn more money in your life. It is gonna make you experience richness in your life. It is gonna make you a positive person in your life. It is gonna make you experience peace, tranquility, and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings. And if you are hell bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great month of September 2021. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.